You are looking for local builders near Farnham in Surrey? You are planning kitchen renovation? We can do it, including kitchen refitting and kitchen cabinet replacement. You are searching for local builders in Surrey? For door and windows replacement, painters, decorators or floor and wall tiles replacement, please call us. We offer full bathroom renovations like shower installation, toilet installation and bathtub installation inside any type of home. If you need plumbing services because water leaking, we can repiping or repair burst pipes. For you and your family health, we can install home water filtration system or independent water softener installation. If you are looking for home service in Surrey like electric service or boiler repair service, we can help you. Just call us. Local builders from Surrey can build for you home driveways, house extensions, loft conversion and basement renovation, including home project management during your home investment. Don't forget to like our video. Please visit our website. Thank you.